Do you want to start meditating but you don't know where to start and how to go about it? In this video, I'll explain what meditation is, what are its benefits, and teach you an easy step-by-step process that you can use to get started with your meditation practice. I'm George Lizos and I empower lightworkers with tools and guidance to find, follow, and fulfill their life purpose. If you're ready to follow yours, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. I'm also excited to announce that my new book, Lightworkers Gotta Work, is now available to order globally on Amazon. In the book, you'll get to discover your life purpose and empower yourself with tools, processes, rituals, and guided meditations to follow and fulfill it, with the aim of creating big, positive change in the world. I'll pop the link for it in the description below so you can check it out. Meditation is one of those activities we know will benefit from practicing, but when it comes to actually doing so, we often hesitate or don't know how to go about it. Probably the number one reason deterring people from meditating is the false assumption that they need to meditate for hours and that they need to completely empty their mind of thought, which is practically impossible to do so. The meditation process I'll teach you in this video is short and easy to practice, and it will help you experience all the benefits that meditation has to offer. I've taught about meditation for over 10 years in my best-selling books, online courses, and workshops, and I've helped thousands of people to experience more ease, joy, and fulfillment through their meditation practice. I'm excited to teach you how to do so too in this video. Let's start by defining what meditation is. Meditation is a process of quieting your mind from thought significantly so that your mind, body, and spirit can return to their natural state of being. Thoughts create emotions, and therefore whatever you feel at any point is a result of a thought or group of thoughts that you keep thinking. When you meditate, you quiet your mind from thought to a great extent, allowing yourself to return back to your original emotion. The emotion you had when you were first born, the emotion of love. When you make a habit of returning to your original emotion consistently through meditation, you allow your mind, body, and spirit to also return back to their original state, creating balance and vitality. Meditation has many benefits, and they all stem from this basic state of balance that you achieve while practicing it. Specifically, some of the science-based benefits of meditation include stress reduction, controlling anxiety, promoting emotional health, enhancing self-awareness, lengthening the attention span, reducing age-related memory loss, generating kindness, and helping fight addictions. Although there are many different types of meditation introduced by almost all cultures and spiritual traditions around the world, the kind of meditation I'll teach you in this training is a basic mindfulness-based meditation. This is my preferred way of using meditation, and I've meditated this way consistently for over 10 years. My second preferred way to meditate is through guided visualization meditations. And if you'd like to try that too, I have a free meditation series here on YouTube with visualization meditations to help you awaken your intuition, connect with your inner child, find balance, start your morning on a positive note, and connect with the elementals. I'll pop the link for the playlist in the description below so you can check it out. Okay, without further ado, let me guide you through the basic mindfulness meditation process. Start by finding a quiet place and sitting in a comfortable position. You may light up candles or put on meditation music if you like to help you calm down and relax. It's important that you wear comfortable clothes and dim the lighting in the room to create a relaxing environment. Then close your eyes and relax your body. The most effective way to do so is by mentally relaxing your body parts one by one, starting from the top of your head and moving down to the tips of your feet. If it helps, you may want to purposely tense each body part first and then relax it to better feel the release of tension. Step number 3, focus on your breathing. The aim is to give your mind as little to think about as possible. Your mind is made to think, so attempting to cease thought completely is not an easy thing to accomplish. Instead, concentrating on your breathing gives your mind something small and insignificant to focus on. If thoughts come up, and they will, just acknowledge them and bring your attention back to your breathing. I'd recommend that you meditate between 10 to 20 minutes at the start of your day. 10 to 20 minutes is enough time to help you reach a deep meditative state that recalibrates your energy, and doing so first thing in the morning sets the tone for the rest of the day. Okay, what do you think? Meditation is not that hard after all, is it? Of course, like all skills, you'll get better at it with time. All you have to do is practice consistently. You'll notice your mood shifting right from the get-go, and the longer you keep at it, the more benefits you'll experience. If you'd like to explore meditation further, I share more about it in my #1 best-selling book, Lightworkers Gotta Work, which also includes 8 guided meditations to help you find, follow, and fulfill your life purpose. The book is available to order on Amazon and all online retailers in print, digital, and audio formats, so be sure to check it out. You can get even more guidance on meditation in my free Facebook group for Lightworkers, Your Spiritual Toolkit. It is full of trainings, prompts, and guidance from others and myself to guide you on your path. If you feel called to join us, I would love to see you there. Thank you so much for watching, Lightworker. I hope you've enjoyed this. I hope you've learned something. And I hope you're a step closer to mastering meditation. Please let me know in the comments below any questions you have about the process I've taught you, and be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.